Quantum healing meditation invites you to connect with the energy of the universe, bringing balance to your mind, body, and spirit at the subatomic level. The goal is to access your body's natural ability to heal, restore balance, and bring about profound transformation. Through this meditation, you can activate the body's natural healing mechanisms by aligning your energy with the quantum field, where all possibilities exist. This meditation uses visualization, intention, and the power of consciousness to stimulate self-healing and promote physical and emotional well-being. Choose a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit in a chair, on a cushion, or lie down on the floor. Close your eyes gently and begin taking deep, slow breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs. Hold for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. As you breathe, allow your body to relax. Start with your toes, gradually moving upward to your legs, abdomen, chest, arms, and head. Consciously release any tension you may be holding in these areas. Take a moment to set an intention for your meditation. This intention could be related to physical healing, emotional release, or simply a desire for deep peace. I am open to healing on all levels of my being. I release all limiting beliefs and allow my body to heal. I trust in my body's ability to heal itself. Close your eyes and imagine that you are surrounded by an infinite, expansive field of energy. This energy is everywhere, inside you, around you, and beyond you. It is the quantum field, the source of all creation and healing. Picture this field as a vast ocean of light, energy, and possibilities. The field is alive, dynamic, and ever-changing. It holds the potential for transformation and healing. With each breath, feel yourself merging with this field. Imagine your body becoming lighter and more expansive, dissolving into the energetic space around you. Now, bring your attention to the subatomic level of your body. Imagine yourself shrinking down to the size of an atom, where everything is made up of energy and vibrating particles. See your cells, molecules, and atoms vibrating with energy. Notice the tiny particles of light and energy swirling around you. These particles are constantly moving and creating, and they are ready to shift and heal. Visualize a warm, radiant energy at the center of your being. This energy is your healing force. Your life force, often referred to as prana, chi, or spirit. Imagine this energy as a glowing ball of light in your chest or heart space. As you breathe in, feel this healing energy expanding, growing larger and more radiant. With each inhale, allow this energy to fill every cell of your body. As you exhale, feel any blockages, stress, or discomfort releasing from your body and being absorbed into the quantum field for transformation. Focus your attention on any areas of your body or mind that need healing. You may feel tension, pain, or discomfort in certain parts of your body or emotional blockages that need attention. Imagine this radiant energy flowing toward these areas. Dissolving any pain or dis-ease. Visualize the energy working on a cellular level, repairing and restoring harmony. Feel the healing energy vibrating through your cells, bringing them into alignment and promoting balance. For physical healing, you can focus on specific organs or systems, visualizing them in perfect health. For emotional or mental healing, direct the energy toward any limiting beliefs or emotional wounds, allowing them to be transformed into positive, nurturing energy. Picture your highest, healthiest self standing in front of you. See yourself as radiant, vibrant, and fully healed. This version of you is confident, balanced, and whole. Feel the sense of peace and vitality emanating from this version of yourself. Imagine stepping into this highest version of yourself. Feel the energy of your highest self merging with your current self. Creating a sense of unity and wholeness. Now, using the power of your focused intention, affirm your ability to heal and transform. Say to yourself, I am powerful. And I have the ability to heal myself. I am a being of light, and my energy is aligned with the quantum field of infinite possibilities. I trust my body's innate wisdom and healing capacity. Visualize any negative or limiting patterns dissolving and being replaced by a sense of freedom, vitality, and health. Feel your mind and body aligning with your highest potential. Gradually return to the present moment. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Start by deepening your breath and feeling the air fill your lungs. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes and become aware of your physical surroundings. Notice how your body feels now. Lighter, more energized, and at ease. Take a moment to express gratitude for the healing energy of the quantum field and your body's ability to heal.
Thank yourself for taking this time to nurture and care for your mind, body, and spirit. You can say, I am grateful for the healing energy that flows through me. I trust in my body's ability to heal and restore balance. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carrying with you the sense of healing, peace, and alignment you have activated within yourself.
After your meditation, take some time to reflect on how you feel. Notice any shifts in your physical or emotional state. You may feel more energized, peaceful, or clear-headed. This meditation can be practiced regularly to strengthen your connection to the healing power within you and to promote overall wellness. Quantum healing meditation encourages you to tap into the limitless healing potential of the quantum field using focused intention, visualization, and energy awareness to support your body's natural ability to heal and transform.